Are you always on the phone? Do you love texting? Then why not make some money while sending out messages? Doesn't matter where you are or if you have no experience at all, this method is 100% free and you won't have to spend a single penny to be able to get started. This is a money-making tool that I'm going to be introducing you to today, and it's absolutely for free. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, my name is Amanda, and I'm going to be giving you some ways to make money online or make money from home. If you stay till the end, you will get a lot of information that's going to help you to basically start earning from home, just like I do. So thanks so much for tuning in today. And I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's move on. Now, if you want to learn how to make money, it's really simple and easy to do. You just have to know certain strategies and actually tap into what works. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is go to Instagram, and don't worry about it. If you have no followers, if you're new to Instagram, that's completely fine. You can download this app using Android or your iPhone. It doesn't matter. Or you can also go to the website from your PC or laptop. If you don't have an Instagram account, all you have to do is create one for free. You don't have to spend a dime to use Instagram. And what I love is that it's a social media platform that has tons and tons of people on it. So that's tons and tons of traffic, which leads to tons of money. Again, if you don't have followers, it's not a problem. This method, you won't need followers because it's not about ads and you're not going to be promoting stuff. What you're mainly going to do is send messages to business owners on Instagram. And we have tons and tons of people that have businesses that are on Instagram daily. And a lot of them don't really know how to make things work for them and how to produce an income online. So if you're not familiar with online marketing or how it works, there's a lot of people that try, but literally only 3% actually start earning a full-time income from home. So what you're going to do is you have to make sure that the person that you're sending the message to is a business owner or part of a business. You should find a lot of accounts that you'll be able to message because the more accounts you message, the more money you can earn. To do so, all you have to do is look up certain business keywords. Keywords is so important because it really helps you to target your audience. So you can put in keywords like gyms, salons, parlors, restaurants, cafes, and more. Now remember that you don't have to have any followers at all, but the accounts that you will message should kind of have a lot of followers for you to be able to make more money. Now, for the next step, I will be introducing you to the site called Selfie.com. If you're not familiar with this site, it's basically a platform where you can convert your followers into money. This site actually works with other social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook, and there's other ones as well, but we're going to really focus in on Instagram for this video. So don't worry because this site is completely free as well, and you won't have to pay anything to get started and actually start using the site. So this site basically helps business owners reach out to their targeted audience, and it helps them promote their business online. Basically, what you're going to do is help Instagram business owners create a storefront using Selfie. If you're worried and have no idea what to say in a message, you're going to be able to send people, don't worry, because I'm going to provide the exact message you're going to need later on in this video. So please make sure to stay tuned. All you're going to have to do is copy and paste this message that I'm going to give you and send it to business owners on Instagram. But before that, you will have to go to Selfie first and scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see affiliates. You will have to sign up to be a part of their affiliate program. That's the first thing. On their site right here, you can see that once you become an affiliate, you can earn money. 25% of the payments when people are referred to Selfie, that's what you're going to receive. So if you look at the pricing plans, sellers could earn some really good money. There's a plan that's worth $1,000. So let's just say you referred someone and they purchased the $1,000 level, you're going to earn $250 just from that one seller. It really is better if you're going to find more business owners because you'll be able to earn a lot more. To be a part of their program, you simply have to press Start Earning Money and then click on Join Now or Start Earning. Once you click on either of these, basic personal information will be required, and all you have to do is simply fill in the details. To be able to track your earnings, you need to have your affiliate link. To get this, you just have to log into your affiliate account. Here, you'll be able to browse and observe your progress through your dashboard. You'll see here how many people you have referred, how much money you have earned, and there's also other relevant information. And here, you'll be able to copy your affiliate link. This is what you will use to refer business owners. And as I mentioned earlier, I will be providing a message template that you can use for your referrals. Basically, it's going to be something like this, and you can add or take away if you need to. Hi, and then you put in the name. If you have time, I would like to talk to you about something. There's this site called Selfie, and basically it will help you promote your business. If you're willing to check it out, and you can use my referral link, and then you're going to enter your referral link. Best regards, and then put your name at the end. And again, if you want to add or take away from the message, you can kindly do so. But this is a great way to get the person's attention, and not only that, give them information on what can help them as a business owner. So what you're going to do is basically take this message, edit this message, make sure to add your referral link, and then you can have it to just copy and paste as you need it to send out to these business owners. Now, you have to find business owners on Instagram and message them. Following them is not needed. You can follow them if you want to, but you don't have to. Either way, you can just send them a message just by hitting the message button. You're going to copy and paste the message template that I gave you, and then keep sending it out. Another tip that I will be sharing with you is to customize your affiliate link. So to do this, you can go to bit.ly, and here you can shorten your link to make it more professional. So you're all set, and when you're done with all the steps, remember, don't give up. Keep on promoting your referral link. Remember that the more messages, the more money you could possibly earn. Just keep sending people messages. Even if you send 100 messages a day. That's it for today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again. Have a great day.